In today's video, I'm going to teach you QuickBooks Online, how to add inventory. By the end, you'll know how to create a new inventory item and how to adjust its quantity so your stock levels stay accurate. First, sign into QuickBooks Online and look to the left panel. Click Sales, then open the Products and Services tab. This is your central list for everything you sell and buy, and it's where new items will live once you add them. To create a new inventory item, go to the upper right and click the New button. From the options that appear, choose Inventory. You'll see a form with fields that describe the product. Give your item a clear name, and if you use them, add a SKU and category to keep things organized. Enter the initial quantity on hand along with the as of date. This tells QuickBooks when that starting count is valid. Add the sales price customers pay and the cost you pay your supplier. If you use reorder points or preferred vendors, include those too, as they help with purchasing and stock alerts. Double-check everything for accuracy. The starting quantity and date are especially important because they affect your inventory valuation and cost of goods sold. When everything looks good, click Save and Close. Your item now appears in the Products and Services list with its quantity, price, and status. If you need to update the quantity later, for example, after a physical count or to correct an error, go back to the Products and Services list and find the item. On the Items row, click the small caret icon to open more actions, then select Adjust Inventory. In the Adjustment window, confirm the date, choose a reason for the change, and enter the new quantity on hand or the quantity difference, depending on the layout you see. Take a moment to verify the numbers before you save, since adjustments change both your stock levels and your financials. When you're confident the entry is correct, click Save, and the list will update immediately. A few quick tips to keep you on track. Use consistent names and SKUs so searches are easy. If you don't see inventory as a type, your plan may not include inventory tracking, or it may need to be turned on by an admin. And whenever you adjust quantities, add a clear reason so you have a clean audit trail. That's it. You've added a new inventory item and learned how to adjust its quantity in QuickBooks Online. Keep your item details current, review counts regularly, and your books will stay accurate.